Sir, the next example related to the string, write a program to remove duplicate characters from the given input string. Sir, remove duplicate characters from the given input string. Very common requirement, right? Sir, input A, Z, Z, B, C, D, A and so on. Now after removing duplicates, what is the outputs are? A, Z, B, C, D, E, F, like this, right? So how you can do? There are multiple ways are available, sir. By using only string or by using list concept, set concept, we can do that. But anyway, what is the all possible ways I will suggest, so that based on your comfort you can choose any possibility, right? Sir, here first way I am taking very simple, sir. First way, sir. Sir, assume my input string, assume input string yes is equal to, I am not taking this lengthy thing. Even our program will work for that lengthy thing also, right? Don't worry. A, B, D, C I am taking, sir. This is my input string. Now, sir, what I have to take? Output is equal to empty, sir. At the beginning, output is equal to empty, nothing is there. For each character in S, for each CH in S, present in the input, sir. So what I have to take? If this character not already added to the output, so if it is not already added to the output, means if CH not in output, if CH not in output, observe that. Take one character. If it is not already added to the output, then can you please add to output, sir? Output is equal to output plus CH. Output is equal to output plus CH. Next, print of output. That's all. Simplest example, okay, to remove duplicates present in the given string. So if it is not already added to the output, then only add. Sir, here observe A not added, then add to the output. Next, B not added, add to the output. Next, B came, but B already there, that's why don't add. Next, D not added, add. Okay, next D. Sir, D is already there, don't add. D is already there, don't add. C not there, can you please add? Are you getting? So what is the output we are going to get, sir? A, B, D, C is the answer we are going to get. Everyone can aware, right? Let me execute this code. Very simple example, so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Okay, here my requirement is S is equal to A, B, D, C I am taking, sir. Okay, sir, output is equal to empty for each character in S. If CH not in output, if this character not already added to the output is equal to output plus CH I am taking. Just print of CH, sir. Regarding print of CH. Okay, now let me execute this code. Sir, what is the answer? Let me execute this code, sir. Here observe. If CH not in output, not already added to the output, sir, output is equal to output plus CH, and can you please print output, sir? Can you please print output? Sir, observe that A, B, D, C is the answer we are going to get. Suppose need not be this one, sir. Let me take enter any string to remove duplicates. Enter any string to remove duplicates, right? Sir, now observe this one. Enter any string, sir. A, B, G. Next, and after that L I am taking, sir. Next, sir, C, like this I am taking. Now observe that, sir, A, B, G, L, C, like we are going to get. Perfectly, this approach is going to work, sir. But there is another way is also there. That way is of course it is the most simplest way, sir. What is the other way? Very simple, sir. Sir, assume S is equal to A, B, D, C. This is the input is there, sir. Sir, this is second way. I am taking, this is mine. Now I'm taking one empty list, empty list, sir. Empty list I created. Next, for each character in S, every character in S, if CH not in L, sir, if this character not already added to the list, if it is not already added to the list, can you please, if it is not already added, L dot append of CH, L dot append of CH, can you please add CH to the list, that's all. So now this list contain only unique characters. Regarding this list contain only unique. How you can confirm it contain only unique characters? Because if it is not already in L, then only we are adding that character. It contain only unique characters in the list. Okay, well. So now my question is, so this list of string, can you please join into a single string? This is about my output, sir. Output is equal to, can you please join all characters present inside L without any separator? Okay, sir, just without empty string dot join of L. So all characters present inside L, can you please join without any separator? Okay, print of output I'm taking. Are you getting right? Print of output. This is the second way how you can do that, sir. Have a look once, sir. Take very special care. Everything is the same, but sir, here L is equal to empty. L is equal to empty, sir. Sir, now for each character in S, if CH not in L, okay, sir, L dot append of CH, sir. L dot append of CH, like this I have to take. Now output is equal to, here just observe that, sir, print of L. So this list contain only unique characters are available. Okay, let me take print L. Let me do that. Sir, here enter some string to remove duplicates. Here just observe A, B, B, next and after that D, F, and then C, next sir K, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, observe, this is the list we are getting. This list contain only unique characters are there. A, B, D, F, C, K, unique characters are there, sir. Okay, now how I can combine this list of characters into a single string? Okay, for that, okay, output is equal to, we require to use join method. Join without any separator. Join of L. Can you please print output, sir? Can you please print output like this, right? Now observe, what the answer? Enter some string, sir. A, B, next and after that E, next C I'm taking, sir. What the answer we are going to get? A, B, E, C. Perfect, it's going to work, sir. So this is the second way what we have. Can I go to the next approach? Yes, friends, this is the second approach. But another easy approach is there. That approach I want to suggest. What is the third way? Third way, sir. Very simple. Here, what is my S? S is A, Z, B, next, sir, K, C is there. This is about my S. Can you please convert this string into set? Sir, S1 is equal to set of S. Have you remembered, right? Set data structure. The biggest property related to the set is duplicates won't be there. Duplicates won't be there. Automatically duplicates by default got removed, sir. Okay, now do you know in this set A will be there, Z will be there, B will be there, K will be there, C will be there. That's all. This is the set, sir. Okay, now there is one small problem is also there with the set. Sir, worry about order, no guarantee. Don't feel this is the only order, no guarantee at all. Now, but unique elements are there. Okay, sir, now what I have to take? Can you please join all these elements into single string? What I have to take? Output is equal to empty dot join. Output is equal to empty dot join of S1. Sir, this line is very important. Can you please join all these elements, okay, into single string without any separator, empty, without any separator, like now print of output, print of output I'm taking, sir. Sir, obviously what output by default we are going to get? Unique. Sir, single string we are going to get with the unique characters, but the biggest drawback in this approach is order no guarantee at all. Okay, sir, have a look once here. Just I don't want to take like this. Okay, sir, here S1 is equal to set of S. S1 is equal to set of S. Okay, like sir, now output is equal to, sir, dot join of S1. Okay, print output, sir, print output like this I'm taking. Now observe that, sir, here I'm taking A and then Z. Next and after that K I'm taking, sir. Next C I'm taking. Next and after that B I'm taking, sir. Observe A, Z, K, C, B. What is the answer we are getting? Are you seeing right? A, B, Z, K, C. A, B, Z, K, C. Sir, after A, Z I'm taking the input, but after A, B is coming. Sir, duplicates are removed. Duplicates are removed. But the problem, order-wise, no guarantee at all. So, these are various possibilities how to remove duplicates from the given string. But anyway, highly recommended. First approach is recommended, right? Any doubt? Clear?